Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is making words with QRS. And students, so today we will start our annual term. And today is the first class of annual term. So today's topic is the making words with Q, R and S. Q for quail and Q for queen. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. And Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. So Q for quail and queen. Now R. R for rat and R for rose. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. And R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. So R for rat and R for rose. Now S. S for sheep and S for sun. S-H-I-P, sheep. S-H-I-P, sheep. S-H-I-P, sheep. And sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. So S for sheep and S for sun. And just look, students, today's first SW number 1 is making words with Q, R and S. That means these things, okay, this topic Q, R, S, these words. This is your HW number 1. So making words with Q, R and S. That's all for today, students. Stay safe, take care, Allah Hafiz.